Welcome to Simplify Chemistry channel. Due to the popular demand, we are asked to bring chemistry to your doorstep. So when we say chemistry to your doorstep, we want to start chemistry afresh for those who are seeing or wanting to learn chemistry, and they will be learning chemistry for the first time. In today's class, we are going to be introducing us to chemistry and what chemistry means so far. And I want to assure you, in today's class, you are going to enjoy it so much. Once again, welcome to Simplify Chemistry channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our page, like, and also click the notification button so that you can be aware when we release new video. Welcome to the class once again. Introduction to chemistry. Introduction to chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is everything. When I say chemistry is everything, yes, chemistry is everything. The food you eat, the water you drink, the clothes you put on, the hair cream you use in grooming your hair, the perfume you use, everything you make use of, they are chemistry. Everything is chemistry. The bed you sit on, the stone you are standing on, the silicon chip you input into your computers, they are all chemistry. And because of this, chemistry is very important to nature. Chemistry is important to everything that we do in our existence. In this class today, we are going to be seeing importance of chemistry and adverse effect of chemistry. In this class today, we are going to be talking about the career choices in chemistry and furthermore. Welcome once again. So, introduction to chemistry. By definition, what is chemistry? We say chemistry is a pure science, that studies the structure and composition of matter. Underline matter. It's a pure science that studies the structure and composition of matter. Then we ask, what is matter? What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass, and occupies space. So look around you. What is that thing that does not have mass? What is that thing that does not occupy space? Virtually everything has mass, everything occupies space, which means we are going to be studying everything around you. Knowledge of chemistry has helped other sciences to grow and see their relationship between matter and everything they do. Pure sciences are Greek, your biology, your physics. So, by definition, again, we say chemistry is a pure science that deals with the study of the structure and composition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. What are the importance of chemistry? Importance of chemistry. Why we should learn chemistry? Why we should learn chemistry? Importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. Like I said earlier in the introduction part, I said chemistry is everything. Even your matchbox you strike in your kitchen is chemistry. So we should know how much importance chemistry has meant to us. How important chemistry is to us. So, importance of chemistry. Chemistry is so important in all fields of life, all walks of life. They have contributed significantly to the progress of all. Let's say, for example, in agriculture, chemistry has helped us to develop a lot of chemicals, agrochemicals, agrohalides that has improved the produce, the farm produce, starting from the fertilizers, synthesis of chemicals used in combating pests, that is known as the pesticides, the rodenticides, and co. So these are the contribution of chemistry and many more. These are the contribution of chemistry and many more in the field of agri. Just name it. They will help us in preserving our foods. They synthesize chemicals used in preserving some of the agricultural produce in order to reduce spoil or waste. You can see chemistry is so important, and anyone that does not like food, so everybody likes food. You can see what chemistry is doing there. Let's see also, still talking about the food, let's see the food industry. In food industry, so the chemist has contributed largely, giving us different additives, different preservatives, giving us different alternatives to natural things that exist. They gave us many, just name it. In food industry, they helped us to test and know the classes of foods. How do you know the classes of the food, the nutritional value of each food you take? Is as a result of chemistry. Chemistry is so wide and so important. Let's see, just name it. Is it in medicine? In medicine, they've done greatly well. Also in medicine, they've helped us in drug synthesis. They've helped us to analyze the pathways of these drugs. In pharmaceutical companies, chemists are so much important in quantity control of the production of drugs, and many more, and many more, and many more. Just name it. So go to the comment section, contribute to it, list all the importance of chemistry that you know, and career choices. Due to this importance of chemistry, they have given us a broad career choices that people can choose on. So which means if you are a chemist, you are so much important. Congratulate yourself. As a chemistry student, you are so useful in every field and every walks of life. Yes, every field and every walks of life. So you are very important. So to the comment section, go down to comment section, write 5 career choices that you know that chemistry will give you. As a chemist, chemistry has given me the opportunity to be a tutor, like what I'm doing now, which can afford the opportunity to be a tutor in mono college, in high schools, in college of education, in polytechnics, and so on, as a secondary school teacher. So chemistry has helped in that way of giving me a part in teaching. So chemistry is very important. Like the popular saying that everything that has advantage also has its own disadvantages. So let's see adverse effects of chemistry. Adverse effects of chemistry. Adverse effect of chemistry. What are the adverse effects of chemistry? Wow. As good as they have contributed to the society, they have their negative impact also on society due to some abuse caused by human. Now, one of the examples is, let's see, drug abuse. Drug abuse. From the synthesis of the chemicals, drugs normally are to work to cure ailments or to preserve or to make us feel better. But the youth of nowadays, even elders, parents at home, different people, now abuses these drugs because they know the composition of the drugs. They know the composition of the drugs and they know what they do. And these are all synthesized by chemists. So they can decide to take one element or a compound out of the composition of the drugs and continually to abuse it. For example, cocaine. They keep abusing cocaine, heroin, and some other hard drugs, which are normally used as a part of drug making compounds or elements or requirements. They keep abusing these elements and they keep abusing this compound. And what do we see aftermath? You see the behavioral effects of these abused drugs. Some drugs are meant for painkiller. They are analgesic, but what do you see? They keep abusing these drugs and you see what we have. So this as a result of chemistry synthesizing those drugs also, like I said earlier. Number two, let's see pollution. Pollution. Yes, there are a lot of environmental hazards that has been caused as a result of chemistry. A lot of environmental hazard, starting from the land pollution, to soil, to water pollution, air pollution, and so on. Land pollution, yes, due to the synthesis of biodegradable material such as your nylon, your plastics, which are biodegradable as a result of synthesis for chemistry. They are, if you find out these days that they have been littered, they littered all the places, causing different types of minerals, pollution everywhere, because they are biodegradable as a result of chemistry. Water pollution, pesticides, herbicides sprayed on the farm. When it rains, some of them did not decompose. They are washed in the water bodies. As a result of that, endanger the aquatic species, the aquatic life organisms. See fishes dying, aquatic plants suffocating, and so on and so forth, because they will contaminate the water. Likewise, from some water source, they contaminate it as a result of chemistry. Air pollution, gas flaring, exhaust, smokes from exhaust of vehicles. Your refinery refining crude oil. During that process, there's gas flaring. During that process, there's oil spillage. And all these as a result of chemistry. All these as a result of chemistry. So chemistry is so good, but the advantage and the good of chemistry is much more than this disadvantage. So which means you cannot remove chemistry out of the society, you cannot remove chemistry out of the world. After studying chemistry, chemistry is one of the best subjects you could study, or you would love to study, because it's the best pure science you can study. Welcome to chemistry class. Thank you for having me. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification table, and continue to share our video. We'll see some other times. Thank you, class.